Hi everyone, it is Toppling team and today we're going to tell you about our new feature that will help to create your landing page just as a full website. Of course, you don't need any designers or programmers to do that, all you need just to watch this video.
Our new tool is called Section. You can find it in our menu among other tools.
What if I'll tell you that now you can create your Toppling page looking just like this and spend 20 minutes of your time?
As you see, the page consists of simple blocks that Toppling also has. Text, image, links, but also there are colorful sections that make page more structured and appealing. So now it's really easy to create a page with the similar design in Toppling and spend 5 minutes without spending lots of money. Let's just quickly create the basic block on Toppling, like text, links and images. Okay, right now we have pretty good Toppling page, but it can become much better. All we need is to divide it on sections, so your content would look more comfortable to read and design more appealing. Go to Section and click New Section or choose the one from created by you before. That's right, you can save sections to use them in other Toppling pages. Specify top paddings and bottom paddings. If you want, it is possible to create age intent. In Background section, you can choose a section color. It can be also gradient, or choose a background image. Color of font and links can be also changed. Modifications are applied only on elements in the section. Great, how do you think? The page is better now? The page looks like a stylish landing. Due to dividing on blocks, your client can easily find required information. To delete section, first squeeze it to one block and then click on it, choose Section and then Section Off. In case if you are not sure about your design skills or just want to save time, we prepared for you ready-to-use templates. Each of them have one section option to create a wonderful Instagram landing without extra efforts. To experiment with design, you can round section angles or make background transparent. It looks great and you can do it for a couple clicks. One more way to transform your page is to add a photo right in a section. It is a perfect page design for coaches, musicians, writers, and so on. Or just create a holding up section by moving a section down under the main photo on the background. That will be also great for personal pages.
I hope we've just proved you that for creating a stylish landing you don't have to spend a lot of money and time. You can do it by yourself. Try to use Section tool right now to create a stylish, perfect page for your business.